Get it.
Listen.
What did the 60 foot that while ago? What did the 60 foot?
That was a 149.
149.
And you know, normally would have. That still a work on it. That doesn't look a set adjust.
Yeah.
Listen to me, man. Imagine somebody starting from what? 16 seconds. Reaching where now? And 8 seconds.
Congrats, bro.
Catch on.
Congrats.
Listen myself, man. You know, it's already at the end of the day. Better days to come. You understand? A lot more improvement. So, we're on the bench now. Willie. Mr. Chuck. Martin. Deep Shaw. Your man, Chuck. All the way at bump shoulder right now, yo. Come on, right there.
Banana.
Come on for the bench. Now all you do is elbow each other for the bench, you know. Because them are looking at Willie off for the bench now. You better go over 7. You understand? So the bench will get full. Look at it. How many 8-second cars will you have this weekend? Look at that. From 16 to 8. It's only get better right now. And imagine a lot of us moving over. That's what I love about drag racing and class racing, the fact that we push each other. Right? It's something where you can elbow each other on the bench and say, move over a little bit, man, come out of the class. Because today, Grizzly look at me and say, Roland, you don't want to get in the class, you know. Come out. Come out. And what did I do? Exit the class, alright? Listen, guys, 9 second guys was good knowing them, but
moving on. Alright, Roland.
Alright, bless myself, alright?